human decision required.
May 2006, and Product Enterprise launched its special edition Medical Eagle. Forming part of the Eagle Transporter range, 1,500 units were allocated, with 1,300 being for the Eagle Transporter and the last 200 for the Medical Eagle. This model came in the standard Eagle Transporter box, but with just the addition of a special Medical Eagle label attached to it. The Transporter series of Eagle models was detailed at being approximately 22 inches long, unlike the later variants, the Laboratory and the Freighter Eagles, which were detailed at being 23 inches long. Unlike Product Enterprise's 12-inch Medical Rescue Eagle, the 22-inch model does not have a detachable pod. All the Signature Edition models came with a hand-signed certificate from Jerry Anderson, as well as a presentation acrylic display case. All the Signature Series models feature spring-loaded landing struts and a removable cockpit nose cone. However, the Transporter series of models do not feature chrome-plated engine bells. There is also some debate online regarding the accuracy of this model in regard to the thickness of the red lines on the pod. However, I think the bigger question is, at what point did the Rescue Eagle become the Medical Eagle, or vice versa? Overall, I think this is a great addition to the Signature series. My only note of caution regarding this model is make sure you get one that is above number 1300 in the series, as it has been known for people to have the red lines painted on some of the earlier Transporter series numbers. I hope you'll join me again when we continue our look at the Signature series of models from Product Enterprise and iconic replicas.